If you're a beginner to couponing at Walgreens, this is the video for you. There's so many amazing deals that you can do this week to get started. Plus, we have all digital deals in this video. You don't need any paper coupons, no newspapers, nothing. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. Plus, I have a scenario I'm gonna share with you using this digital booster for spend $60, earn $12 back in Walgreens cash. So I'm gonna explain exactly how to use the digital boosters and most importantly, how to keep your out-of-pocket costs as low as possible because you wanna be using and rolling your rewards. That is the key part of couponing. At the end, I'll show you guys how I enter everything into my digital budget spreadsheet so we can see what the final net cost is and what the cash cost is of everything we're grabbing. Plus, I have a curbside pickup deal that anyone can do, super easy, grabbing a bunch of products that my family actually uses. If you're new here, take a second, hit that red subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the channel. Below in the description box is a printable breakdown. Click file, make a copy so you can edit the breakdown based on the deals that you actually want to do. And if you're newer to couponing and you're struggling with stacking your deals using digital coupons and just being able to save money on all your family must-haves, I'm doing a free live coupon class this Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so definitely register for that. It'll be below for you guys in the description box as well, or you can just go to this website here. Let's pop into Walgreens and start taking advantage of easy, beginner-friendly coupon deals.
The first deal we're doing is on oral care. So we're gonna grab the Colgate deal. They are $5 each. Buy two, get a $5 register reward. There is a separate promotion. Some of them are $4.50. Buy two, get a $3 register reward. So keep in mind, they are separate promotions. These are all month long. They're good through August 30th. So keep that in mind as well. I'm gonna grab two of these and click the 4 off 2 digital coupon. I'll pay $6, earn back a $5 register reward, makes my final cost $1 per 2 or 50 cents a piece. That's why I tell you guys you should never pay full price for oral care. If you need hair care, this is definitely the week to stock up. There's so many hair care deals that we're gonna be doing. So first we're gonna start with the Garnier deal. Now Garnier Fructis and Whole Blends are part of the same register reward promotion. So I get asked all the time, can you do it multiple times? The answer is yes. If you wanna do the Garnier Fructis and the Garnier Whole Blends, you can, but it has to be in separate transactions. So what you can do, these are buy two, get a $3 register reward, and they're $3.99 each. Grab two, we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $4.98, get back a $3 register reward, makes your final cost 99 cents a piece for the Garnier Fructis. Then in a separate transaction, you can grab two of the Garnier Whole Blends that are $3.99 each. Use the separate 3 off 2 digital coupon. The math is the same. You'll pay $4.98, get back a $3 register reward, makes it $1.98 for both or 99 cents a piece. Next, we're grabbing some Tresemme for $1 a piece, which is insane. So this week, products are on sale for $6, $7, and they're buy two, get a $5 register reward. So I'm gonna grab two of the ones that are $6. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $7 out of pocket, earn back a $5 register reward, makes them $1 a piece. That is such an insane deal. Next, we're grabbing our Dove hair care. So they're part of a promotion. They're buy one, get one half off. When you buy 4 participating products, you'll get a $10 register reward. The cheapest product included is their hair care, the 12 fluid ounce bottles. I'm gonna grab 4. We have a 4 off 4 digital coupon that we're gonna use. So we're gonna wind up paying $14.86 out of pocket, getting back a $10 register reward, makes your final net cost $4.86 for 4 bottles. Now I'm gonna be putting all of this in with a digital spend booster, so stick with me. I'll let you guys know all the breakdowns and how that transaction is gonna work out in just a second. The last deal I'm adding in my transaction is gonna be on L'Oreal Paris. It's a little cheaper to do it online because the price is cheaper and there are some codes, but I'm gonna be using this in store because I'm using my digital booster. So what you're gonna do, they're buy one, get one half off. The cheapest products are these right here. Everyone's been raving about like using primers first. So I'm gonna grab one of these and one of these. I have a 12 off 2 digital coupon. I checked my mom's account. She had a 10 off 2 and a 7 off 2. So definitely check and see what you have. I also have a 2 off 2, which is a store coupon that everybody will have. So let's go over this entire transaction. You already know if there's a deal on diapers, I'm gonna be snagging it. So this week, we're gonna grab the bags of Pampers Swaddlers. They are buy two, get a $4 register reward, and they're 2 for $21. So you can either grab 2 of these, there's a 3 off 2 digital coupon, or what I'm gonna grab is 2 of these. There's a separate 3 off 2 digital coupon, or grab 2 of these with a separate 3 off 2 digital coupon. Now the coupons are a one-time use for the entire month. So what I usually do is 1 week I'll grab this type, 1 week I'll grab this type, so on and so forth. So you should be able to grab up to 6 bags of diapers per month for about 30% off each. Using the 3 off 2 digital coupon, you're paying $18 out of pocket, but you can use any rewards to lower your cost. Then you'll earn back the $4 register reward. Makes your final cost $14 for 2 of them, or $7 per bag, which is definitely still a good stock up price. Grabbing these at Walmart, you're paying $10 per bag. Absolutely not. So let's go over my first transaction. These are all of the products that I'm gonna be grabbing because I'm using this digital booster for spend $60, earn back $12 in Walgreens cash. So your total has to be $60 after any store digital coupons and store discounts. Store discounts meaning Walgreens cash. So total for all of these products is $65.33. Now we have a 2 off 2 store coupon. So now our new total is $63.33. So then I'm gonna use $3 in Walgreens cash. Now my total is $60.33. Still over $60 after all of those store discounts that I'm using. Then we have the manufacturer digital coupons, which is $28 worth. That'll leave you to pay $32.33. However, I have a bunch of manufacturer register rewards from last week. Try to show you them all. A 5, a 4, oh come on, a 5, a 4, and an 8 that I'm gonna be using to lower my out-of-pocket costs. So for me, I'm gonna wind up paying $15.33 plus taxes out of pocket. Then I'm gonna earn back a $5 register reward, a $10 register reward for the Dove, $5 register reward for the Colgate, $3 register reward for the Whole Blends, and $12 in Walgreens cash from the digital booster. So it makes your final net cost 33 cents for all of these freaking products, which is so cool. That is the power of learning how to stack your deals and put things together, but keeping your out-of-pocket cost in mind. I would not pay $30, $40, $50 out of pocket just to use the digital booster and earn back $12 in Walgreens cash. Your main focus is keeping your out-of-pocket costs low. So then with the rewards I'm earning on this transaction, I'm gonna go and do a few other deals. Let's go check out. I have a curbside pickup deal to grab as well, and then I'm gonna go over how everything went at checkout.
All right, we're back in from Walgreens. Everything went amazing at checkout. I did my curbside pickup deal, so I went and I actually forgot to grab that. I had to go back inside. I was like, oh wait, that deal is so good. Okay, so I'll show you that to you guys last. First, let's talk about the deals that I did in store. So here's my first transaction. This transaction I did focusing on that digital booster. So here's all the products, everything that I showed you guys in the video. These are the register rewards I rolled from last week that I earned. Here's the L'Oreal digital, Tresemme digital, Dove digital, Colgate, and Garnier digital coupons. I rolled $3 in Walgreens cash, like I said, paid $20.53 out of pocket. Then I earned back the $12.61 in Walgreens cash. So I did earn back the money for the digital booster, even though I used Walgreens cash, because there's a way to do it to stack your deals. So we're gonna be covering some of that in my free coupon class. I'm gonna be doing this Thursday, so I'm super excited about that. I always do a live Q&A at the end as well. So if you have some questions about couponing at Walgreens, at CVS, rolling rewards, anything like that, come to my live class and ask me so I can help you. Then I earned back all my register rewards, everything printed. I did not have any issues. We love that. So my next transaction, I did the Pampers and then I did the Garnier Fructis. Like I said, it has to be in separate transactions. Sorry, I got lost. Okay, so anyway, rolled my register rewards. These are my digital coupons. Used $5 in Walgreens cash. Paid $5.54 out of pocket. Now, rolling register rewards has changed. You can't roll register rewards for like monthly promotions into its own deal. So heads up on that. I knew that was going to happen, but again, my out-of-pocket cost is my main priority. not earning rewards back. We want to earn rewards back, but not at the expense of paying more money out of our pocket. So just keep that in mind when you guys are couponing. That's what I teach my students. To me, that's the most important, because that is how you can keep your money in your pocket and then put that money towards your holiday savings fund. So that's what we're doing in my holiday savings club. Now let's talk about the Curbside deal. So my husband uses the Old Spice Total Body. He's in love with it. He like sprays the crap out of himself every single morning. And so we run out very quickly because I feel like there's not that much in here. These are on promotion online. Buy 4, get $8 in Walgreens cash. In store, they're buy 4, get $8 register reward. So I did it online because it wound up being a lot better of a deal. So I got 2 of the Total Body and 2 of the regular deodorants. These are $8.99. These are $13.99. They're also buy one, get one half off. So for these 2, I had a 7 off 2 digital coupon that I used. For these 2, I had a 4 off 2 digital coupon that I used. So I don't have the math. Oh, I do actually. Plus, you're gonna use code BEAUTY20. That'll save you another $4.68. Obviously, you can't use a code in store. So some deals are better to do online. This is one of those deals. Now, you can do Old Spice, you could do Secret, switch it up. This is just what my husband actually uses. That's why it's important to make sure that you are doing deals based on your family's must-haves. So then, okay, so you would pay $18.78 plus taxes out of pocket. I did use Walgreens cash to lower my out-of-pocket costs. I'll show you the receipt in a second. You'll earn back the $8 in Walgreens cash. Plus, I submitted this to Ibotta, got $6 cash back. So, here's everything that I grabbed online. I go in store when I do a curbside deal and I ask them for a paper receipt. All the digital coupons and everything came off. I rolled $10 in Walgreens cash. Curbside deals don't show you like the Walgreens cash you earn back, which is super annoying, but I'll get back the $8 in Walgreens cash. Plus I got the $6 cash back from Ibotta. So those are the 3 transactions that I did today. Let's head home. I'm going to enter everything into my digital budget spreadsheet so I can show you guys where to put everything so we can calculate our cash cost, our net cost, and see what percentage saved for everything that we grabbed today in today's haul. So this is my digital budget spreadsheet that we're gonna enter in all the info. What I do is 1 line per transaction. So first we're gonna start with the date. And in the drop down, you're gonna select Walgreens. Now retail price is the sale price of all the products that you're grabbing. So retail for my first transaction was $66.08. Out of pocket cost, what did I swipe my card for? $20.53. How many rewards did I use when I was checking out? I used $17 worth of register rewards, plus the Walgreens cash. Gift cards, no. So these are 0. Total cash back, none. Rewards I earned back was $35. The next transaction I did, my second transaction, was worth $28.98. My out of pocket was $5.54. Rewards I used was $18. No gift cards, total cash back, none. And I got back a $4 register reward. And my last transaction was my curbside deal. Out of pocket, I paid $10.86. Rewards I used was $10 in Walgreens cash. Total cash back, $6 from Ibotta. And then rewards back was $8.19 in Walgreens cash. So first transaction, I saved 68%. Second transaction, I saved 80%. Curbside deal, I saved 85.9%, which is insane. Everything else, all of this calculates for you. Like all of the formulas are already included. You get this in the Holiday Savings Club as well. If you're not interested in joining the Holiday Savings Club and you just want this, it'll be linked below for you guys. It's $7. You get this tab, all the formulas included. You get the digital trainings as well that teaches you how to use it. Plus you get my monthly budget planner so that you can see where all your money is coming from and where all your money is going. So you can go to this website to get it downloaded, but make sure that you guys are tracking how much you're spending. We are 11 days into August and I've already saved $330.87, stocking up on my family's must-haves. Diapers, obviously we use for my son. The deodorant, my husband uses and absolutely loves that deodorant. So I was out in my stockpile, so that worked out perfectly. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. If you're new to couponing at Walgreens and you really want some help, check out this video that I did for how to coupon at Walgreens where I start breaking it down for you guys. And if you're not subscribed yet, click my face icon. I would absolutely love to have you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.